Hi, my name is Mayra Alejandra Lazo Cruz. I am 31 years old. I am a student at the UNAT. This is the course Colombian Education Task for Final Exam. Today I want to talk about what I learned in this interesting course through this mind map. Okay? Education in Colombia needs good teacher, preparation, dedication, occasion of for all the students. They are the center of teaching, so we need good strategies for learning. The Ministry of Education must improve to provide quality education and continue working to promote English in Colombia. With this course, I could see the importance of English in the world. It is the universal language, its technology, its future, its opportunity. I hope to be an excellent English teacher. This course was very important to me. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.